how to create an account in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. So we in this login page. Now, in order to create a new account, either you can log in with Google or continue with guest. So here I'm tapping on Google. Now simply tap on accept. Now select the account with which you want to log in. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, your account will be directly linked with the scheme, and later all your profile will be set up too. So it's a quick and easy way to create a new account in the scheme. Now it will take some time, so after some time you'll be able to easily log in and start playing. All your progress will be saved too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.